Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope that you are very well. Let's start our lesson. Today is Tuesday and we are on the 22nd of September 2020. Yesterday, we took the lesson Let Teens Talk and we said that the teen is a person whose age is between 13 to 19 years old. Like you girls, you are teens. Today we are going to take a revision of a skill that you took before. It's the present simple tense. But before starting our lesson, okay, I want you to identify the the lesson's outcomes أهداف الحصة. In this class, we are going to 1. Revise the present simple tense, including the use, structure, and keywords. 2. Use the present simple tense correctly. We use the present simple tense to talk about what? We use it to talk about routines, habits, and facts. Examples: the earth goes around the sun. Here we have a fact, حقيقة. 2. Ahmed plays football every Thursday. Here we have the routine of Ahmed. 3. I wash my hands before I eat. Here we have a habit, عادة. Now let's have a look on the structure of the present simple tense. Here we have sentences. We are going to analyze these sentences in order to identify نتعرف على the structure of the present simple tense. Here we have this dialogue to help us analyze each sentence. Okay, in the dialogue we have here the sentence type نوع الجملة if it's affirmative إذا كانت مثبتة negative منفية or interrogative. And here we have the parts of the sentence: subject, verb, and complement. Subject means فاعل, verb فعل, complement تكملة الجملة. And here we have the main rule of the structure of the present simple tense. Let's start analyzing. First of all, let's go to sentence 1. I do my homework every day. Where's the subject? Where's the subject? The subject here is I. The verb is do. My homework every day is the complement. So, and let's go to sentence 2. In sentence 2, we have Ahmed, subject, praise, verb, in the mosque, complement. So the main rule of sentence 1 and 2, and they are affirmative sentences, is subject plus verb 1 plus complement, or subject plus verb 1 plus s plus complement. طيب, why did we add the s in the rule؟ ليش ضفنا الاس يا صبايا؟ احنا بنضيف الاس او ما بنضيفها على حسب شو؟ على حسب الفاعل. في عنا انواع معينة of the subject that we have some kinds of the subjects that do not take s with verb 1, while we have other subjects take verb 1 plus s. نضيف الاس للفعل in the present simple tense. Now let's go to 3. We don't eat fish. This sentence is negative. The subject is we, don't eat is the verb, fish is the complement. Okay, so here the main rule is subject. لما تكون عنا الجملة المنفية القاعدة بتاعتها subject plus don't plus verb I. شو يعني verb I صبايا؟ verb I يعني verb infinitive فعل مجرد plus complement. دائما بعد don't بنحط verb infinitive فعل مجرد. Let's go to sentence 4. Reem doesn't like chocolate. Here we used doesn't، استخدمنا doesn't مش don't. ليش؟ برضو according to the subject، على حسب الفاعل. okay. some subjects take don't، some subjects take doesn't. وبعد don't بعد doesn't دائما نحط verb infinitive. إذا in the negative form the main rule subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb infinitive plus complement. Here in the interrogative form we do not start the sentence by the subject. دائما بجملة الانتروجاتيف، جمل الانتروجاتيف اللي هم السؤال، ما بنبلش الجمل بالفاعل مثل جمل الافيرماتيف والنيجاتيف. الافيرماتيف والنيجاتيف، الافيرماتيف والنيجاتيف دائما ببلشوا بالسبجكت بالفاعل، بعدين بالفيرب بالفعل، بعدين complement. but in the interrogative form بالسؤال بنبلش بالفعل المساعد اللي هو do or does here، بعدين بالفاعل، بعدين بالفعل، بعدين الcomplement. so in the interrogative we have you here in 5. you is the subject, do like is the verb and English complement. And here in sentence 6, does is the auxiliary, Ali is the subject, does go verb, fishing on Tuesday is the complement. so القاعدة العامة للinterrogative بنبلش بدو or does plus subject plus verb 1 اللي هو verb infinitive plus complement plus question mark. Now we have this example, play tennis, and we have different types of subjects. If the subject is I, you, we, they, plural nouns, we use verb 1 without s، بدون s. okay. إذا كانت الجملة affirmative مثبتة، بس إذا كانت الجملة منفية we use don't plus verb 1 or verb infinitive. إذا كانت عندنا subject I, you, we, they, plural nouns. إذا كانت الجملة affirmative we use verb 1. إذا الجملة negative we use don't plus verb infinitive. مثال I play tennis، we play tennis. هلأ بالنيجاتيف I ومنفي don't play tennis، we don't play tennis. but if the subjects are he, she, it, singular nouns, names, okay, we add the s، بنضيف s to the verb للفعل if the sentence is affirmative. يعني we say he plays tennis، she plays tennis. but in the negative form إذا كانت الجملة منفية منضيف doesn't and after doesn't إن verb infinitive فعل مجرد. okay. بنحكي he doesn't play tennis، she doesn't play tennis. إذا نحطوها قاعدة. إذا subject I, you, we, they, plural nouns in the affirmative إذا كانت الجملة مثبتة بنحط فعل عادي without s without ing without ed. إذا كانت الجملة منفية negative we use don't، بنستخدم don't للنفي و after don't فعل مجرد verb infinitive. but if we have he, she, it, singular nouns and names منضيف s للفعل بالaffirmative form إذا الجملة مثبتة، يعني play بتصير plays. okay. and we add doesn't in the negative form، منضيف doesn't وبعد doesn't بيجي فعل مجرد verb infinitive. as we said before in the negative in the interrogative form of the sentence we started by do or does, then we have the subject, then we have verb infinitive. We use do or does according to the subject، نستخدم do أو does على حسب الفاعل. If the subject is I, you, we, they, plural nouns, we use do at the beginning of the question. Okay, then we have verb infinitive. Here we have the example, do homework. Do you do homework? Do your homework? Okay, do they do their homework? But if the subject is he, she, it, singular nouns or names, we use does at the beginning of the question, then we have verb infinitive. إذا نحطيها قاعدة، بعد do does الفعل بيأتي مجرد without s, without ing, without ed، وبرضه بعد doesn't و don't النفي منهم بيجي الverb مجرد. Now we have the keywords of the present simple tense. الكلمات المفتاحية أو الدلالية اللي بتدلنا help us to identify the tense of the sentence. بتساعدنا إنه نتعرف على زمن الجملة. Here we have sentences. We always pray on time. Here always is a keyword for the present simple tense. دايما لما نشوف هدول الكلمات عطول بنعرف إنها الجملة present simple tense and we choose the present simple tense verb. Okay? 2. Salim visits his grandparents once a week. Once a week is a keyword for the present simple tense. Here we use the verb visits. Okay? Other keywords of the simple present simple tense we have always, often, usually, sometimes, rarely, never, every day, week, month, year, once, twice, 3 times, generally, normally, weekly, yearly, monthly, and daily. Please note that the verbs do and have، هلأ do have هي أفعال مساعدة وأحيانا بيجوا أفعال عادية إلهم معنى. do بمعنى يؤدي، have بمعنى يتناول. Turn to does and has with the subjects he, she, it, singular and names. لما نستخدم do have كفعل عادي بالجملة بالpresent simple tense بتحولوا do بتتحول ل does و have بتتحول ل has إذا كانت الأفعال أو الفاعل، إذا كان الفاعل he or she or it or singular or names. Girls, we have this exercise. Circle the correct answer. I want you to read the sentence carefully and choose the correct answer. And we are going to discuss the answers together next class. So please read them carefully and choose the correct answer. And here I have a question for you. I want you to write down this question on your notebooks. بدي إياكم تكتبوا هذا السؤال على النوتبوك على الدفتر اللي هو What do you always do on a Friday? Okay? I helped you. ساعدتك إني بلشت بالإجابة. I always. You should write your answers, your own answers. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.